Why do I think that this is the Claude Cowork moment for ChatGPT? Let me show you. For a very long time, the main unique point for Claude app was Claude Cowork, because you can give it access to a folder and it will go inside that folder in your laptop and make some changes to the files, which was not possible in any other AI chatbot. With ChatGPT Work, now it's possible for you to do the same. You can simply add a folder and ask it to make any changes. We tried it on both the chatbots and you can see the results on your screen. This was the folder we gave it access to. You can see the result from Claude Cowork, and here's the results from ChatGPT Work. They are almost the same. Claude had code. ChatGPT always had Codex, but it was available as a separate app. Now the same can be accessed through ChatGPT app. Then there are some common features like plugins, scheduled actions, skills, projects. But there are three places where I believe ChatGPT Work has advantage over Claude. First one being the ability to design images, which is currently not possible in Claude. The second one is voice. ChatGPT recently launched a voice model which can interrupt you, which can overlap, and it can translate your conversation into real time. I'll say something in English and you go ahead and translate it in Marathi.
Sure, go ahead.
So I'm trying to show how ChatGPT has
तर मी हे दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय की ChatGPTने कशी प्रगती केली आहे.
The second thing that what I want to highlight,
दुसरी गोष्ट जी मला इथे अधोरेखित करायची आहे ती म्हणजे
it's possible now for people to use ChatGPT
की आता लोकांसाठी ChatGPT वापरणे शक्य झाले आहे.
and finally token usage. And I've been using ChatGPT extensively and it has hardly ever ran out of usage limit in this window. Even though it spent nearly 22.5 minutes trying to design some sites, which again is a new feature in ChatGPT. As you saw, now ChatWork can compete with Claude Cowork. ChatGPT Codex can compete with Claude Code, and it still has image generation feature and the voice which almost sounds real. This might be the moment when ChatGPT may take the lead back from Claude.